basic AutoCAD for 21st century learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentation. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. Parts of this lesson 3 of the tutorials, it show how modify commands be used in accomplishing your CAD projects. These commands used in modifying or editing drawings. Move, copy, erase, trim and extend or stretch, offset, and mirror commands were some of the commands presented in this section. Like copy command, same purpose of duplicating object that offset command is capable in doing off. The content of this video talks how offset command performs in copying objects that are similar and parallel to existing entities at a specified distance or through.
Kung makikita natin sa halimbawa, gumawa ako ng concentric circles having one common center. Mas madaling nagawa ang nasabing halimbawa gamit ang isa sa pinakamadaling paraan gamit ang offset command. Tingnan natin kung paano ba gamitin ang offset command to create parallel lines at kung paano makakatulong upang mapadali ang pagsagawa ng mga CAD problems. Same with other modify commands, under modify panel, hanapin natin ang offset command icon. Ito ay i-click o kaya ay sa madaling paraan, type O bilang shortcut key o pwede ring ang kabuuang pangalan ng command. Then press enter or spacebar to perform the next steps. Sinasabi sa command window na kailangan i-specify ang offset distance, kung ilan ang magiging distansya ng existing object sa gagawing bagong object. Gaya ng nasa halimbawa, type 1 as the distance, then press enter or spacebar. Piliin ang object na kailangan i-offset. Move your cursor gamit ang mouse at mag-decide kung saang direksyon, maging ito ay papasok o palabas. Pagkatapos ay pindutin ang left button ng mouse para makita ang nadagdag na guhit o drawing. Gawin ito ng paulit-ulit depende sa kung ilan ang gusto ninyo. You can also choose multiple by picking at the command window or by typing M and pressing enter or space bar pagkatapos na piliin ang bahagi ng object. Ito ay pwedeng gamitin upang mapabilis ang paggawa ng parallel na linya o drawing. We produce parallel circles with one center na mas madali at di nahihirapan with exact offset distance to other lines. Let's try it again using same process, but this time, instead of typing the distance, let's pick through at the command window or by typing T bilang shortcut key and press enter or space bar. Same process ang gawin natin sa object na ito. Type O and hit enter or spacebar to activate the command. Again, click through, select the object and move to specified direction. This time, we will type the distance, say 8. So let's do it again. Okay, you can try it again and again to master the use of this command.
Then, if you wish to duplicate objects or lines that are parallel to the original, remember the use of offset command.